Hi, I'm Steve with T-Rex. We manufacture the highest quality tape products on the market. I'm here to explain the difference between our original T-Rex duct tape and T-Rex Brute Force, the strongest duct tape on the market. T-Rex ferociously strong all-weather duct tape is truly an excellent general purpose duct tape. It's manufactured in the United States with the highest quality materials and processes. Features a natural rubber-based adhesive, and we incorporate UV-resistant materials into that adhesive to keep the sun from breaking it down. At 17 mils thick, it also sticks to rougher, dirtier surfaces than regular tapes, which makes it a really excellent solution. You're going to use less of this tape than you would a regular duct tape or economy grade tape because of all those high quality attributes and elements in the product. T-Rex Brute Force is truly the strongest duct tape on the market. Essentially, what we've done is we've re-engineered our original T-Rex tape and infused it with patented forged link technology. That means that a single loop of Brute Force holds over 700 pounds, which changes what you think you can do with a duct tape. It's too tough to tear by hand, and you can do more, you can hold more with less tape because of that extreme strength proposition. You can take this tape and you can use it like a chain, where a regular duct tape you wouldn't even consider to tow an ATV or to strap heavy objects down. Essentially, T-Rex Brute Force is an engineering solution where regular T-Rex tape or other duct tapes is simply used for fixes and general purpose repairs. Visit trextape.com to see our full assortment of high quality, ferociously strong tape products.